the safest way to cut an avocado. I've seen too many people utilize a knife in their hand with the avocado and either missing the avocado or slipping. Usually it's because the knife is dull. So very simple. You can use any type of knife. I have a bigger knife here if you're comfortable using a bigger knife. I'm going to just use a regular chef's knife that you find in the kitchen. And of course this is to dice if you want to dice. So very simple is first remove where the stem meets the avocado. You can see right away that it's green. That's an indication that it's ready to be cut. These are still very raw. And then if you press it with your thumbs, you feel it bouncing back, which is a good indication that it's perfect. So keep your hand. I like to do the fat part first, and you saw I switched it. Hand on top, not like this and cutting. And then you rotate the avocado around the knife. I wanted to jump right away. So, as you can see, it's perfect. A lot of people then say, hold it like this and give it a good whack. Well, I've seen too many accidents. So what you can do is, still use your board, keep your fingers away, still do a whack, and then twist it. So a lot of people have utilized a spoon to scoop it out. That's fine, but before they do that on YouTube, they cut it like this, and as you can see where you can cut your hand very easily. So don't need to use the spoon. Some people then cut it this way and it can slip. So what I like to do is put them into quarters. So let's put them in quarters. Again, the knife is always away from your hands. And you find the tip, and you gently remove the skin. That's where the stem was. So a tip, and when you don't scoop it out, you pretty much get it right from the bottom, which is awesome. Just skin is remaining. It's very ripe, it's very delicate. I'll move these to the side. And then you can either slice it, big slices as you can see, or you can also cube it. Just keeping your fingers away from the knife. And there you go. If you want smaller pieces, you could do that. But once again, if you want big slices, there you go. So once again, beyond cool, hit that subscribe button. Watch those hands while using sharp knives. And of course, one of the best things that you can do with the avocado is eat it as soon as you cut it up because it does turn brown. You can use a little bit of lemon.